You came back from school. You refused to enter inside the house. And you stayed outside playing in the rain. Live there. Just because I tried to rinse my leg with this water, you now felt it was normal to stay there. Come on. Come on before cold enters your body. You need something warm. V, come. I'm so happy doing that. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Are you going back? Eh. Oh no. You run to that side, then you run back. Just to get the yo sound of water. Let's go. Each time he yes, let's go, he goes back. Let's go. You want to have all the fun. V, it's okay. Sure. Time to go, right? Time to go, time to go, time to go, time to go. Time up. Let's go. Come. Come to mama. V. V, come. It's okay. You need to listen to me, but whenever it comes to water, you don't listen. I don't want to come out under the rain. Come. Come, you need something warm to eat, to drink or something. Come, let me get you something warm to drink. Come. Oh yeah, stop it. Stop. Come here. Come. I'll catch you. Come, let's go. Let's go. Don't fall. If you fall here, don't fall here. You don't need to. You don't have to. You shouldn't.